Hi, greetings, Mr. Henry here. Welcome back to the Addicted to Geography channel. Now, in the last video, you learned about the effects of rotation and you learned how to calculate time based on one place's longitude and also their time, and you're able to calculate the time in another place. Now, I'm sure you've gone over that video and I'm sure you've gone over the text, the skills in geography, about page 131 to about page 143. Yes, I am pretty sure that you have done it and you are now an expert at how to calculate time. Well, today we're going to be looking at one of the effects of revolution, and that's, revolution. That's the path that the earth takes around the sun, So, one of the effects of revolution is the calculation of a year. Now, the year is the total time that the earth takes to go around the sun. Now, I know some of you are going to say, but sir, it's not only the earth alone have a year. So if Neptune goes around the sun, Neptune has a year too. That is so correct. But since we're learning about earth today, we're going to say that the total time taken for the earth to go around the sun. Cool. Now that total time is 365 days and 6 hours, or in other words 365 and a quarter days. Now that is the total time it takes for the earth to go around the sun. So there's no getting around it. So some people say, so why do I have the quarter day on it? Because that's just the time it takes the earth to go around the sun. Bolt takes 9.58 seconds to win his race. You may take 15 minutes to cook rice. I'm not sure. That's just the time that the thing takes. So the time that the earth takes to circle that sun and come back around, it makes one complete trip in 365 and a quarter days. Now, in order to avoid confusion, because I'm sure you see what would happen there. Yeah, you've not seen it. You're not seeing how a quarter day can cause confusion. Yes, that means you might be in one day. So you're in class and 6 hours later, boom, you are being told that a new day has started. And not only a new day has started, a new year has started.
Mom's ready.
That could be confusing. So what has happened? In order to avoid this confusion, it is assumed that the earth takes 365 days alone for 3 years. So for 3 years, we say that the earth takes 365 days. So in year 1, 365, year 2, 365, year 3, 365. But you see, in that 4th year, the earth now takes 366 days to make a complete trip around the sun. Now you may be saying, Mr. Henry, I don't understand, so why it take 366 in this year? Well, if you have been paying attention, and I'm sure you all are, you are brilliant students. I'm sure you all are figuring it out right now. Year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4. Remember, the quarter day is still there, but we just say, there is no quarter day, because time is just a construct that we can use on Earth. So it is assumed that for 3 years, it takes 365 days. So year 1, we take that quarter and we put it down. Year 2, we take that quarter and we put it down. Year 3, we take that quarter and put it down. Year 4 will also have a quarter. And if you put all those 4 quarters together, you get, that's right, you get a whole day, because quarter day plus quarter day plus quarter day plus quarter day gives you a whole day. That's 4 times 6 hours, and that's 24 hours. Let's go to the board and work it out. 66. So that whole day is added on to the fourth year. So we call that year a leap year because last year it was 365, the year before that it was 365, and the year before that it was 365. And then all of a sudden in this year, the year jumps forward to 366. So the time is advanced or leaps forward by 1 day. And that's why it's called a leap year, because the whole year appears to leap forward by 1 day. And of course, I know you're very curious geography students, so you're asking yourself, so where them find space to put that extra day? Well, luckily, we have a very short month by the name of February. And yes, we have a very short one by the name of February, who under normal circumstances has 28 days. But on the leap year, that additional day, February has 29 days. So regular year 28, leap year February has 29 days because the extra day is added on to February, and that is a year. Yes, finally I can get my beer after 1 year. Finally I can get my beer now. Hi, yeah man, Marlon and you here. I'm here to collect my pay. Thanks.
Marlon Henry?
Yes. Whoa!
There you go.
Yeah! Check! Alright, I understand the $365. But 6 cents? I was 6 cents ago. 6 cents? I want a movie.
I see dead people.
Oh, no, 6 cents.
Thank you for using your bank, sir. Here's your payment. It is $300. 65 and 6 cents.
How we are go with them then? I don't want a 6 cents. How we gonna do it
One of
soon?
them fell, so it's like 5.
Okay, alright, give me them. Give me them. No want that.
That's what I wanted to do. Here's what I actually did.
I don't want 6 cents. Alright. Since every year I'm gonna get this from up here, but I really want this every year. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in the bank, and when it all add up, I'm gonna finally get a whole day. I mean a whole dollar. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And I'll put it in the bank. Alright, bank lady, I want you to put it in the bank for me.
Okay.
So we're going to save this up. So every year I'm just going to collect $365. I will save up the 6 cents, and at the end of 4 years I'm going to have a whole day. I mean a whole dollar. Just put it in my bank for me, and at the end of 4 years I will collect it after it add up. Alright, so put it in the bank for me.
Alright, thank you. So, next year at them time, yeah. Alright?
Sure. Have a nice day.
Thank you.